So here we are again at Macy's Herald Square, and this is a year later. I did the video disinfection of a multi-level MTA subway station right here at my Macy's Herald Square, and that was last year, 2019. At that time, we knew nothing about COVID-19. Today, it is disinfection of a multi-level MTA station by way of chemicals. At that time last year, it was by bleach, water, and soap. This time we have backpacks of tanks of chemical and wipes. So the entire New York City subway system is going to go through this type of a deep clean. And when I say deep clean, I mean deep clean. Whoa, we're getting clean. This is no joke. Last year when I did this video, like I said, was a normal mobile unit clean. Today, the MTA is bringing in contractors to clean their station. And that's a regular MTA worker there. But those folks right there are outside contractors. So, like I said, at that time, I didn't know nothing about no COVID-19. Well, the video is there. I'm not gonna go on about that. I'm not gonna make this a long video either. Doesn't have to be. This is no joke. You see that? Whoa, baby. This is no joke. So I can rename that video Disinfection 2019 and name this video Disinfection 2020. And I'll swing the camera across slowly so you can get an idea of how many people are in here. disinfectant at the same time. In comparison, to the power wash that was going on last year. And last year when I did the video, most people were like, oh, you're wasting your time. Why are you doing that? And I tell them, it's just for history, just showing you how the MTA clean the subway system every night when you folks go home. But this is not an every night cleaner here. For those of you who have been out of work, for those of you who have lost loved ones, this is what this cleaning is about. We know that there is a definite scourge in the transportation neighborhood, in every aspect of our lives today. If you live on this planet and you hear the word COVID-19, there's no doubt about what that means. See? Oh yeah. There is no hookup to a water cleaner, to a high pressure steam clean. This is chemical deep clean. And you know what? That's about all I can show you folks right now, because me and the chemical stuff, I've never had a history of my system going down on chemicals, but I have no intention of remaining in here. I won't even go downstairs. You can see the other video, and you can just imagine these gentlemen going downstairs, not with a power wash, but with a spray bottle and a backpack of chemicals. As a youth growing up in Jamaica, that's all chemical there. There were seasons where one or two gentlemen of the neighborhoods would be hired to control the mosquitoes, and they would don the same types of pack. And it was a mixture, I believe, of kerosene, some kind of petroleum, and other chemicals that would be sprayed into waters and pools of water that were standing still around the community, and that would kill the larvae of those disease transmitting mosquitoes. There's a lot of chemicals down here, sweetheart. Make sure you cover that baby up. Have a good night. Thank you. COVID-19 at Macy's, Harold Square, 34th Street, multilevel subway station. MTA picks up the pace on combating the COVID-19 infiltration I say infiltration because other people knew about this 6 weeks before we did. You know what I mean? So somehow it was allowed to infiltrate this country. Everyone coming across the street, including me, has to wear a mask here in New York City and around the country. Young, vibrant people who don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, if this is going to mutate in some type of way. Hopefully it doesn't. We're now hearing that the kids, the younger kids, are suffering from what is called Kawasaki disease. And it is said to be related to the COVID-19. In what way, I don't know. So you guys want to get up with that. As we combat COVID-19, we have to be careful how we do so. I'm not a scientist. I'm just an everyday person who have experienced certain spraying as a young man in close proximity to population. I won't elaborate on negativity or positivity of those spraying, but you be on your best observance, especially you parents, you grandparents, and to those of you who went through things like the polio epidemic. You know, there are ways that you guys got through a lot of stuff, so you got to school us up on that. This is General Cog, multi-level subway station disinfection. See it for 2019 and see it here now 2020, and it's a stark different contrast of how people is going about this. No one knew that we would be dealing, especially me who shot that video last year. So you take a look. Take a look at my other videos. You subscribe. Enough of you guys subscribe, I'll give it to you right from the source. But of course, my guiding hand is with me. You have a good night.